So this little thing is the only screen cleaner you will need. This thing cleans everything without leaving any streaks, and it is so portable. And cleaning your phone, cleaning your tablet, this is the only tool you'll ever need. This doesn't leave streaks. It's portable, and it's just so convenient to have just carrying it around. And when your screens get dirty, this is a good thing to have. So this is the Screen Cleaner Touchscreen Mist Spray, all-in-one. I'll link in the description the link to this actual product, but this is actually changed the way I clean my screens, and kind of surprised me. Just this little thing could have such an impact on me and my electronics. In the past, I used to have the lens cleaner spray and 2 or 3 cloths just to clean all my electronics when they get smudged or there's dust on them. But with this little thing, it has a built-in spray with it, spray bottle. And this whole kind of container is kind of made of felt, and it wipes away and leaves no streaks on your phone, your tablet, or even your MacBook Pro screen. I've cleaned the screen on this as well. I was surprised at how effective it was with not leaving kind of streaks on it. This is it on my phone, my iPhone 14. And you can see right here, it just needs a couple sprays and a couple swipes, and you can see it doesn't leave any streaks at all. Same with the iPad here, just a couple sprays, and it doesn't leave any streaks. And it comes in this clear kind of case, so you can carry it around and not mess with the felt lining in it or not get dust on it. Because I think that is where it will start to streak if you just leave it out, and it'll get dust on it. But if you just keep it in the case like this, yeah, it'll be good. If you find it does start streaking, you can just rinse this under water and it will be good as new. But this is a very delightful surprise that this all-in-one could clean all my electronics. I'm very happy with this. I'll probably get another one for traveling purposes. The only thing is they give you 2 of these bottles. I'm not sure if this is the same kind of solution you can find in lens cleaners, like the lens eyeglass cleaners. But they give you 2 of these, and it does run out quick. So I have yet to use both of them. I'm kind of on my last drops for this one. I'm going to use the second one, and if I start to run out, I'll try to use the lens cleaner and see if that has any effect on of this tool leaving any streaks behind. I'm pretty sure it is just lens cleaner. It can't be some kind of custom solution they use for this. Or it might be, I don't know, because it doesn't leave any streaks. This was kind of just a reminder of this delightful tool I picked up, the Screen Cleaner Touchscreen Mist Spray, all-in-one spray. But if you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification for updates. We out.